Have you ever seen a bird that sings songs in melodious tunes? Have you ever seen a bird wearing socks? Or have you ever seen a bird bouncing in the wild? Today we'll tell you about 10 such birds that are lucky to see. It is rare that only few people can see it, but you can also see them through our video. This bird named kakapo is also called owl parrot. Why is it called? Maybe you have understood it. It is a bird whose face looks like an owl, but its color is green like a parrot. Found in the dense forests of New Zealand, this bird is considered to be the heaviest bird in the species of parrot. The reason behind this bird being rare is because of its walking style. The government of New Zealand runs a variety of programs to save these birds. Also, the people there help the birds a lot. If people here see an injured kakapo, they get treatment for it. They also give them plenty of food and water. Junin grebe. This bird named Junin grebe is also called Junin flightless grebe. This bird can be easily identified in millions with black and white color. But it is very rare to find this bird. How rare it is to see this bird? You can guess from the fact that its population is now less than 250. Found mostly in Midwest Peru, in Junin Lake. Junin grebe prefers to live inside lakes mostly, and there are very few on the seashore. To save this rare species of Junin grebe, the government keeps taking many initiatives, especially in Junin Lake. Furthermore, hunting and fishing are also banned in this lake to prevent the extinction of this rare species. Before proceeding, subscribe to the channel and keep watching more exciting videos. Superb lyrebird. The superb lyrebird is one of the most unique and beautiful birds in the world. This bird found in Australia is famous due to its many features, one of which is its long tail, the other is the art of imitating, and the third is to sing the song. Perhaps you are wondering if imitating and singing is the job of a parrot, so is it not one of the parrot species? But here you are wrong. It is a kind of bird that looks a little like a pigeon. This bird is mostly seen singing songs, but perhaps because of this art, the superb lyrebirds are now in crisis and their names have come in the rare list of IUCN. Because when this bird sings a song, it is easier for the hunter to reach it. Also, the reason for the gradual disappearance of this bird is that they mostly live on the ground. Because of this, they die under human vehicles. Orange-bellied parrot. The orange-bellied parrot is considered to be one of the newest birds on this whole earth. These blue, green and orange colored parrots are called orange-bellied parrots because they have orange color on their stomach area. The length of this special parrot is up to 20 centimeters. These orange-bellied parrots use a kind of buzzing sound to talk to other parrots. Found mostly in Tasmania, this bird spends its time in southern Australia during the winter season. At this time, this bird is so in danger. The IUCN has put this bird on its red list. If you want to see this colorful parrot, then its rare site can be found on King Island, Lake Victoria and Mud Island. Superb bird of paradise. This bird has been given this name because it looks very beautiful. By the way, this bird is completely black in color. There is also a bright blue color, which it completely shows while dancing and looks quite beautiful. Male birds of this species dance by opening their wings to attract female birds, and it is famous for its art. Male and female birds of this species appear very different. In this species, male birds are more attractive. The species of this bird found in New Guinea is declining very fast. Because of this, it is very difficult to see them. The greater sage grouse. The greater sage grouse sounds a bit strange to look at, but is one of the rarest species. It is the largest bird in North America, which is also a grouse bird. In an adult greater sage grouse, everything from claws to wings is sharp. The front part of this bird, which looks light brown and black, is quite different from other birds. Until 2000, greater sage grouse was called grouse bird. But after this, a special species of this was created, which was named greater sage grouse. If you want to see this great bird, then it is possible in North America. Christmas Island frigate bird. Christmas Island frigate birds do not look very special, but they definitely come in the species of rare birds. These special types of birds are black and brown in color. Apart from this, the front part of the male birds is red in color. On the other hand, if we talk about female birds, then their front part is white. Male bird completely inflates their red part to attract female birds. These birds use their large beaks to hunt. If we talk about their weight, then they can be up to 1.5 kg. And the size increases to about 45 inches. In this species, the female is slightly larger than the male. The number of Christmas Island frigate birds is declining rapidly due to changing weather and mining. If this continues, this species may soon be extinct. Victoria Crown Pigeon. This beautiful blue bird has been named Victoria Crown Pigeon because it has a very beautiful crown on its head. Just as Queen Victoria has a crown on her head, this bird also has a crown on her head. The crown pigeon is the most beautiful looking bird in this species. Because of this, it is also called the king of pigeons. Blue and light brown pigeons have red eyes, which makes them even more attractive. Also, its wings have different colors, which makes it quite different from other birds. This bird is mostly found in New Guinea and its surrounding areas. In these places, you can easily see these especially crowned pigeons. Green peafowl. Where we talked about so many birds, how can we forget about peacock? It is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The number of which is now gradually decreasing, and the reason for this is the market demand for its beautiful feathers. You must have seen peacocks mostly in blue color, but there is also a kind of peacock of white and green color which looks quite beautiful. Green peacock is found in Southeast Asia. It is completely green in appearance and looks quite beautiful. How amazing is this green peacock? If you also like this peacock, then definitely let us know by commenting. Secretary birds. It is very important to have the name of secretary birds in the list of world's most unique birds, because along with its name, it also looks a little different. The secretary birds are also called the killer queens, and that is because they can beat king cobra. If seen, half the body of a secretary bird looks like an eagle, and half the body looks like a stork. Their body is brown and their wings are black and white. Among all the birds, the legs of this bird are the longest as well as quite strange. Looking at their feet, it seems as if they are wearing a long black socks, due to which they look like a model walking with a full attitude. So today you have seen the 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Which bird you found the most beautiful and unique? Definitely tell us by commenting. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss such interesting and informative videos.